So the idea is to develop a paper bag uh, in order to replace the petrol-based plastic bag that are used in the retailers for food.
We will
Pablo.
take regular paper. You can find paper bags everywhere, but they're not suitable for the intended purpose. They lack the mechanical strength, and they lack the barrier properties you need when using a bag for delivering frozen and refrigerated food products. So we will take regular bags and we will create thin layers of materials, biodegradable materials on top of that surface. So we will have a product similar to, with same properties as plastic bags, totally recyclable, and with same cost.
Question. So the point is to be more sustainable than the plastic bags.
Of course.
Yes, more biodegradable.
Fantastic.
Okay, yes, good.
So the idea was because was a challenge from a big retailer in Portugal that wants to replace these plastic bags from their service, from their distribution, and also from the e-commerce. So the main idea is to replace some plastic bags that are the insulated plastic bags from other sustainable materials. And our idea is to use paper bags for do that. So we have the idea and concept right now. We have some proofs that we already did before, and now we are starting the project. We started 1 month ago. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So don't forget that that the 80% of the plastic bags right now that are using in food and retailers go through the ocean. So it's a very important environmental problem. So this is the first point. The second point is the Commission, the European Commission, will is avoiding to replace. It will be mandatory for in several in 2020 to replace plastic bag for other sustainable solutions. To build up the first proof of concept. This is the first point. The second point is to connect us with the retailers that have the problem and to understand what is the um, uh, condition and characteristics that they need to face. No?
Yes.
It's one of them for
Yeah.
sure. There are other technologies, of course. You can raise awareness on the consumers, and they can use reusable bags for grocery. But there are specific market segments like the e-commerce where you cannot reuse the bags. The retailer sends you a new bag every time they ship you things to him. So and our technology is definitely one of the potential candidates to solve that. So we are optimistic.
So at the end, the point is paper is fantastic, but we need to improve even these fantastic properties to replace plastic because plastic is as well a very good material. So uh, plastic is our competitor. No? So this is the point. So, but it's not sustainable in terms of environmental problems. No, this is the